out of Bedoni's car, just run his face. Must be love, love, love. Ooh.
Official gangster, bro.
Welcome everyone to round 4 of Time Attack this week at Brands Hatch.
I'm Luke Senjakowski and we're at Brands Hatch for round 4 of the British Time Attack with our NSX. I haven't raced at Brands Hatch for about 4 years. I raced here in M3 Cup. So yeah, I didn't really know what to think coming in here. I knew it was going to be a lot closer on the times than any other circuit because that's the nature of Brands Hatch. And in fact, 28 cars on the circuit, which one of the guys worked out was 1 car per 50 metres, I think. Just a case of trying to find a clean lap and make it stick. Since Cadwell, I haven't really done any preparation for this round of Time Attack. I race an M4 as well, and so I've been focusing more on that recently. But I knew coming into Brands Hatch that I could remember the circuit quite well. And obviously the NSX is such a good car to drive. It would all come back to me when we got in the car.
I'm Michael Birch and I'm driving the eBay Fiesta SC. Well, this is actually my first proper motorsport event. Obviously with my boss Luke racing a lot. He's been trying to egg me on and give me the kick up the bum to get into it for quite a while now. So today's been the day of my first proper motorsport event. Tegiwa sell on eBay, so we're an eBay power seller. So we got offered the experience because the eBay car gets shared between the eBay power sellers. So Tegiwa got offered the chance to drive it, and Luke was obviously racing the NSX, so he put my name forward for it. And thanks to the guys at eBay and Time Attack, they took me on.
Yeah, so if you start hearing me, just keep on updating on position stuff. Yeah, copy that. I'll just go straight to the line up. Yeah, copy that.
bit of a check over, and he is back out.
Could you see it on how we went in or not? Rewind. It's not rewinding. Right, James. Time to get busy, mate.
Don't be bent. Do not be bent. Luke.
Oh,
he's combing his hair.
He touched the hair.
What is the suspense like? I'm trying to think what it's like. Is it like wind spin where you like you don't know what prize you're going to get? It could be 10 million quid, or it could be like a pack of Haribo.
Yeah, so we've just been out into session 2 and it was going really well. Still trying to find space, being a bit of an issue, but yeah, we managed to find a bit of space and cracked on. They got the fastest lap and then went for another one and went into Druids and the car wouldn't stop, so all a little bit exciting. Didn't have a clue what was going on. I was pumping the brake pedal and couldn't get the car to stop. Kept on steering around the bend, but obviously didn't make it round and ended up in the tyre wall. Pulled it out and it's only actually cosmetic damage, but when we got it back here we tried to start the engine again and it started on full throttle. So looked into it a bit deeper, and on the bottom of the inlet manifold there's a grub screw that had come out, which meant there was an air leak into the engine, so the engine acted like it was on full throttle. So basically the car drove itself straight into the wall, which is good to know that it wasn't a driver error, but obviously bad that the car's had a problem.
and we'll see round into a stop. And off he goes.
I fancy one, but...
Next up. Next up, we have Club 2-Wheel Drive. Third fastest in the hotly contested Club 2-Wheel Drive was Chris Williams. Second place goes to David Dyson. And our first place, our Club 2-Wheel Drive winner today is Luke Sedziakowski. There we go, and that's Club 2-Wheel Drive. Club 4-Wheel Drive comes next.